What's up, guys? John Farrow here from In Charge Lifestyle, and I get requests all of the time, people asking me how the heck I make my ClickFunnels checkout pages and my sales pages, how they look so much like real carts and real e-commerce stores, and there's so much custom coding going on, and it just looks so cool. I added so many cool little features to it, and people are always asking me for download links and to show them basically how I do it. So I'm making this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly where I get my custom coding from, a couple really cool features of what I can do to make a sales page just look so much better on ClickFunnels, how to make a checkout page more interactive, how to add coupon codes, and just tons of custom stuff. So first things first, let me show you a couple things I'm going to be showing you. Let's look at this page right here. So we have this order form right here. We have a promo code, and we also have, so if you push refresh, you can enter a promo code, and this the subscription bundle is highlighted as the best deal. So people's eyes are going to be drawn to want to do the subscription. And we can also enter a promo code and say naked 20, and watch, when we hit apply, look, you save 20%, and basically the prices are automatically reduced. Now another really cool thing, so this is really cool, having this promo code on here and being able to have the best deal highlighted. So that's a really cool thing that you can do. Another thing that that's really cool that I added to this page, if they want to do a single product instead of the bundle, which they can select on the sales page, is basically, look, the images change every time I select a different product. So that's another really cool feature that I want to show you guys exactly how to do that. And again, if you apply the promo code, all of these prices will automatically change. So really cool stuff. And I'm going to dive into showing you guys exactly how to do that. Now, first things first, you have to obviously go in and edit your page. I'm going to show you guys some of the custom coding, where to get it. So for the promo code, for all of this stuff, you go in your tracking codes, and I basically just copy and paste. I have so much custom coding in here. I basically just copy and paste everything from CF Pro Tools. CF Pro Tools has almost everything that I've done as far as customization has come from CF Pro Tools. So if you really want some really custom features on your funnel that aren't provided, and you want to make it into more of an e-commerce style store, then you definitely need to go ahead and purchase CF Pro Tools. They have all of these custom codes that you can install. Like, they got literally everything on here in the world that you could dream of having. So I basically just do that, and then I'll go over to I'll copy it from there, and then just follow his instructions, Jamie from CF Pro Tools, and I'll show you how to do it, because I am not a code genius at all, not even a little bit. I know nothing about custom coding. You can't just look at me and say, oh, you know how to custom code, it's easy for you. No, this is literally user friendly. Anyone can do this stuff. You just have to follow along in the videos, and then essentially all you have to do is like for me, for this specifically, so I have all of the products I need for the discounted price and all of the products I need for the regular price, and then you just follow along with the custom scripts that Jamie gives you in the VIP add-ons. The one I'm using right now is obviously going to be CF promo code, and then all of the script is right here. All you have to do is copy and paste it in there, and then all you have to do is change around your product IDs, and it all just works like magic, and it's so easy, so incredibly easy to do. And like I said, you can choose from tons of different things on here, the custom codes that he has. Now, I do want to show you something that he does not have that I've been using that works really well, and I actually spent a long time putting this together a couple nights ago, and I'm going to show you that in a different funnel. Okay, so now we're in one of my other ClickFunnels accounts, and we're going to go to this supplement funnel, and I'm going to show you guys another really cool custom checkout page that I've built. So this is another really cool one. Basically, you can select the products with these custom buttons, right? So if you look, this is your product selector down here. We have the bestseller highlighted, but you can see it also dynamically updates every single time that I click which package I want, right? So that's really cool, and I don't see this being done anywhere else. So this is something that I had to kind of do custom. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. So what you have to do is we go into our page editor here. What I had to do is I had to add a custom HTML JavaScript and then add this piece of code in here, right? And all this piece of code does is essentially it takes an image that you give it, which is this link right here. It takes this link that's an image, which is the select button that I showed you guys, and it turns it into a button. Now once it turns it into a button, you go over to your tracking code and your custom tracking, and then you turn that button into an action. So basically something happens when you click it. So now what will happen is the action is every time you click the button, it will show this image instead, which this other image that it's going to show instead is, instead of select this, it's going to be selected with the check mark, and that's the other image it's going to show. So now it knows that every time as soon as you see the page, it wants to show the select this image, and then as soon as you select something, it's going to show the other image. So these are just two separate images. It's not an actual button. It's just two PNG files that I uploaded to ClickFunnels. So now that we know that we changed that PNG into a button, and now that we have it in our tracking code, and we know that every time someone selects the button, it changes to a different PNG image, and it can be selected, changed back and forth. Now we need to assign that button, this new button, a product ID. So this is the product ID for this specific product, and each one will have a different product ID. So now it knows every time we click the button which product to select, right? And it will automatically select it in your regular out-of-the-box product selector as well. Now, and then to get the style, to get everything fitted properly, all you need to do and to get it in the right places, you go to your custom CSS where you can set up all of your style, right? And so I obviously don't expect you guys to just like copy from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give you guys this exact same sales funnel that I'm using right now, and it's working extremely well. I'm going to give you guys the same funnel so you can literally just download this share funnel and start using it. And if you want, you can just take all of the custom coding that I've already put into it and put it in your own funnel, or you can just start with this funnel template and make it into your own. And I'll give you guys basically what I did is I put together a whole Rolodex of all of my share funnels, all of the cool, awesome funnels that I've built, as well as all of the automated follow-up funnel sequences that I built. And you guys can literally just download these funnels, take all of the custom coding that's already been done, or you can take these checkout pages that are very high converting, doing great, and already have everything, and you can add them to your own business. Everything's already set up and done. So click the link. I put a link in my description. It's got a Rolodex of all of my stuff you can download 100% for free. I'm not going to ask for your money. Now I do recommend, however, if anyone's gonna ask for money, it deserves to be this guy, because he's got all of these custom coding, right? He's got tons of free add-ons, so you can basically start your free trial with him and get all of these free add-ons. But if you want the more advanced stuff, VIP club add-ons, then you're gonna have to pay. I think it's either $37 a month you can pay, and you can get all of these advanced add-ons from CF Pro Tools. And then you can pay a one-time payment, I forget how much it costs, and you can get everything and you never have to pay again. It's just a one-time fee, which is honestly what I recommend doing. You'll end up saving money in the long run if you continue to use ClickFunnels for a long time. Now, so definitely invest in CF Pro Tools. I've got a link to that in my description as well. And that way, once you're a part of CF Pro Tools, you can basically understand how to add your own products to all of the custom coding and custom checkout pages and stuff that I'm going to give to you, because it's pretty in-depth stuff. And if you don't know how to do it off the top of your head, you might get really confused and lost. So definitely recommend getting CF Pro Tools. Click the link in my description to get CF Pro Tools. Also, if you don't have ClickFunnels, if you're completely lost, I've got a link to ClickFunnels in my description as well. You can get started with your 14-day free trial. I've got a bunch of other cool videos on my YouTube channel, so go watch my other videos for a ton of other cool videos about ClickFunnels and about, yeah, ClickFunnels. That's pretty much all I ever make videos about. So go check out my other videos, and I will see you guys there.